In today's video, we're going to be looking at both AutoDS and CJdropshipping and comparing both of them to find out which is the best dropshipping tool. Now, if you're yet to try out either of these tools, I'll leave a link to their websites in the description down below. And if you make an account with AutoDS, you can also get a 30-day free trial. So although AutoDS and CJdropshipping are both dropshipping tools, they do actually serve slightly different purposes. You see, AutoDS is primarily designed to automate the process of dropshipping. So it focuses on features like order management, supplier management, and also an activity dashboard. These features are geared towards making the process of managing orders and suppliers more efficient, and providing a comprehensive overview of your business operations. Whereas CJdropshipping is more focused on the product side of dropshipping. Its key features include product information management, sales automation, and vendor management. And these features are designed to help their users manage their product information, automate sales processes, and manage vendors effectively. So although both tools aim to streamline the process of dropshipping, AutoDS leans more towards the order and supply management, whereas CJdropshipping is more product oriented. So now on to the pricing. AutoDS actually has a ton of different options, and the pricing is different depending which platform you're using. So they have integrations with eBay, Shopify, Facebook, Amazon, Wix, Woo, and also Etsy. So as I said, the price will be different. As you can see, Amazon costs a lot more than if you're going to be paying for eBay. But for this example, I'm just going to choose Shopify because that's the option that I feel most people go with. So when you pick one of these options at the top, they also have loads of plans inside of them. Because as you can see, this one starts at just $19.90, and it goes all the way up to Master 100K, which costs $2,090 per month. So that means whatever level you are dropshipping at, you should find a plan that suits your needs. Now for CJdropshipping, it's actually free, which means it has no storage fee, no monthly fee, no setup fee, and no minimum order required. You're only charged a processing fee if you buy products from other channels. Even if you buy directly from CJ, there'll be no processing fee. But for warehouse fees, they will only charge products that are sourced outside CJ and kept in the CJ warehouse for too long or with a low circulation rate. But normally, they don't actually charge you for that either. So as I said earlier, AutoDS is more used for automation of dropshipping, and here's one of their key features, the dropshipping product importer. This saves us time because instead of having to manually import products, we can simply type in the AliExpress link and then publish directly to our store. And this also works with bulk products, so we can do multiple at the same time, which is going to save us tons of time. They also have product sourcing, which is quite useful if you don't have an agent out there in China, because your products will get shipped from China directly to the AutoDS warehouse, and from there they will inspect your products and also tackle communication issues with Chinese suppliers to make sure you're getting the best deal possible. This is a big problem people have when they're dropshipping because there is usually a communication barrier between the Chinese suppliers and the Western dropshippers. So this is a great solution to solve that problem. So on CJdropshipping's website, you can actually see this page that looks similar to AliExpress. And this can be really useful for finding products that will hopefully go on to be winning products that we can sell a lot of on our site. And they also have this cool feature down here which we can use to actually find out the estimated delivery time. So we can edit some of this information to make sure it's accurate, and from there we can find out how long the product is going to take. And if a product's going to take like 1 month to come, it might be best to avoid that and go with a different product. They also have other cool features such as importing product reviews, and this can be really useful because we can import real reviews on the product and put them straight in our Shopify store. This is useful because we're importing real reviews which might go on to help potential customers to actually go and purchase. So which of these tools is actually better? Well, AutoDS shines in its automation capabilities, particularly in order and supplier management. It provides a comprehensive dashboard that gives you an overview of your business operations. So if your focus is on streamlining the management of orders and suppliers, AutoDS would be a great choice. On the other hand, CJdropshipping excels in product information management, sales automation, and vendor management. It is more product oriented, but could be a better fit if your priority is managing product information and automating sales processes. Ultimately, the better tool depends on your specific needs, budget, and the aspects of dropshipping you want to focus on. Both tools do have their strengths and can be effective when used correctly. And to get the best idea of what will work better for your business is to actually try both of these tools out. So as I mentioned earlier, if you sign up to AutoDS using the link in the video description, you can actually get a 30-day free trial. And CJdropshipping is actually free to use, so I recommend you try them both out and see what suits your needs best. So this has been my video comparing AutoDS and CJdropshipping. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.